Yes, massive. Blessed love and welcome to the channel. We do hope that everyone is out here doing well, you see me? More as the art of love and respect to each and everyone out there, you see me? We outside. Yeah, man, and watch ya. More a whole little reasoning with the item. We just want a whole little reasoning, you see it? It called for a whole little reasoning, you see it? So, I just left off of my work. When I say I just left off of my work a couple of hours ago, I come in and I pick up my youth. And I carry him go one taekwondo. Lesson what him always do, you see it? Because he's a man where, you understand, we are teach them to have discipline and, you understand, self-defense and that kind of stuff, you see it? So we make sure so they equip themselves with certain kind of discipline, you see it? So that's one of the little run when we make a daytime. And you know, so I come from work. Because I mean, you see in a life, nothing happen without a reason. There's a cause for everything, is it? Because I just saw life have one whole heap of dimensions, is it? And more time we share dimensions in enough different ways, is it? We physically there, so, but mentally there somewhere else, is it? So dimensions pan dimensions, is it? So you know say, I come in from work. And I drive, I come up on the road and for some strange reason, Nana flashing on my head. See it? And the image of Nana was flashing on my head. And the image, the first morning when me subscribe to Nana channel. Is it? At that point there, Nana was such a humble person. See it? And he just flash and make a contrast to a video where I see lately, you see it, and the contrast between them two videos there, it just show two, you understand, different kind of character. You see it? And that image the flashing in my mind, you see it, and I never get no woolly poly patat into it, you see it, I just pray and, you understand? I say, yeah. I reach in the park, you know, after I drop off my yacht. And I set up the camera. You see it? Same way how I set up this tripod, the same way. I set up the camera. And I there in the park and just as I about to press go, because I say I don't know which direction I go with that video, you know, but I want to do one video. And I want to do one video where it meaningful and make sense. But in my mind, I say which direction I go. And by the time I get a little inspiration, I say, alright, you know, say that's how I go jump off, man. My phone ring. When I answer the phone, a daddy gargan up on the phone. And I and him talk for a little minute. Big up yourself, daddy gargan. More strength and blessings, see? Strength up yourself, man. And no matter what the circumstances are, no matter the negativity where some people might still want to project, just see the positive for what it is it? Yeah, man, I just that more to tell you, more strength and blessing to you and your family, is it? So yeah, Daddy Gargan said to me, say, you don't watch Nana video? And I said, no, which video you talk about? And he must say, yeah man, she do one video where, you understand, me sure say, you gonna like it. So I want you to go over there, go watch it, you see it? And the man now give me no detail of the video, you know. And just make me know, say, yeah, it's a good video. And he even comment on it, so I go watch it, you see it? And I say, alright, I go watch it. And yes, when I come home, I start to watch a video. And not even the right video I watch, you know. Because As me say, nothing not happen. We just out of the blues like that. Cause guess what? You see the video what Daddy Gaga tell myself to go watch. When time I click on that video there. The video what I watch is a video where Nana talk about our experience in our church and the energy what she feel, and you understand the spiritual awakening what she go through. Because of that me see a person having a spiritual awakening, is it? Somebody will do some self-reflection and, you understand, want to make the right move. And that me pick up in the video what me watch. However, that wasn't the video what Daddy Gaga sent me to. See? So me have to go forward again. I'm going to search for the video. What Daddy Gaga talk about. You see it? So when me find the video now, me see where Nana single out me and Gloria. And she even single out Marlon saying way to she might, you understand, do it in a one little way. But, however, she say, she know in a nothing with. You understand? None of the three away. And she want to move forward, do her podcast, and do the right thing, is it? And doing the right thing is always something we welcome, is it? Because I say it there, as you say, you're not going to join in and tear down a people and then kind of sit there, you see it? Because as I said, them sitting there come with self-awareness and self-reflection, and you understand? When you understand the effect what words can have upon people, you see it? Because all of we use words where, you understand, heal and hurt, you see it? And I see you try to heal, you see it? I want to encourage that. You see me I say? It's a move in the right direction. You see it? Because somehow, some change have to make, you know. And somebody have to make the step to make the changes, you see it? And sometimes trying to make changes, as you say, sometimes we behave stubborn. All of we have really stubborn ways about it. And everyone of we want to assert ourselves and assert our opinions and then kind of things, you see it? Because such is the nature of what we call a job. You see it on YouTube. You see it? But sometimes, in order to carry out a job, we take measures where sometimes it make your co-worker them, you understand, get at odds with each other and then kind of thing, you see it. And if the space is wide enough and enough things out there where all of we can talk about, because all of we not talk about the same things, because we have different experiences, you see it, we have different level of knowledge, you see it. And that we feel impart on people, you see me? We feel share, you understand, common interest. As you mentioned, Colaz, my experience meeting Colaz was something where, as a person, me, I got treasure that for, you understand, the rest of my life. You understand? Because as somebody who I look up to, you see it. And if you see the strength where the youth use to pull people together, you see it. And him now pull people together because, as you know, in a Jamaica, quote unquote, Dan and I done run the place, and you understand, I done have all the youth them run him and this and that. You see it. The youth I use one righteous, meaningful way to bridge the gap between that generation there and film generation and everything in between. You see it? Because as me say, a whole heap of youth them I look up to Colaz. And with how a whole heap of youth them I look up to Colaz, and with how the elders treat Colaz with love and respect, the youth them emulate them kind of things. And that set a precedence in between the generations. You see it? Because more time we talk about the generation gaps and you understand? The different way how we operate. The different way how we see things more time, and you understand? The different way how we carry out the same thing, but we carry it out in a different way. You see it? And more time, them things it create tension between generations, and generation misunderstand them one another. But we see we spot this YouTube thing, you know, can bridge the gap there. And Colaz do a fine job by doing that and living that example there. You see it? Me I watch Colaz live. Me I watch one of Colaz live. And they matter about the vibes between the reactors, you see, because more time he would want to say something. But at the same time, we as reactors, we have put him in a one situation where, you understand, it's an uncomfortable situation, is it? So if them things here are the right step in the right direction, we all for them things, you see it? I'm more to wish Nana all the best on our journey, you see it? As you say, everything clear between us and the island, you see it? I can't speak for everybody, you know, I only can speak for myself, you see it? And you say right here, so when I do right here now, and that way I asked for a long time, you see it? We not have to necessarily be buddy friends, but we can share the space. We have one common interest, and we can find common ground to share that space here and use our platform to enhance and grow the community in a harmony and love, is it? So a long time I ask for them kind of things, is it? So if I saw you see it, you understand? Everything depends on you. You understand the levels? Everything depends on you. Because watch here, you see the steps where you take right now and the decision them where you make are some serious decision, you know. You see it? And some people might support you in the decision where you make same way, and some people might try for derail the decision where you make. You see it? You see, everything where you decide to do, remember say it come from you see it? So no matter what amount of influence you get, at the end of the influence you have to think and you decide, is it? So you decide right, you know, say, you understand? Moving in the right direction, where we not gonna have no contention and no back and forth and this, because we not no need for it. So we can share the space in a harmony, you see it? make we do that. Is it? Because as me say, I did some of the from man. You see me? But more time people have to push back when time push back come, is it? And people say things. Is it? And as Joyful Julie say, people not say nice things when time people have back and forth. Is it? So, I just want you to walk good and talk good. Take care of yourself and all the best on your journey. I don't know. Rastafari bless.